What's up, Beatrice? I know I told y'all to do a little vlog day for every day of the month, whatever. It's my birthday month. But y'all, today been really busy. I had to do a lot of stuff. B had to do a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? But now it's time for us to eat, y'all. So we're gonna do a cooking vlog. Today we're gonna show y'all how B cooks fajitas. Y'all, B catching a fire on the stove already.
Don't lie. You know I don't do that. Don't do that. Ain't no good. Why you lying talking about fire?
Y'all see that fire right there? Let me zoom in so y'all can see it.
Should be out my kitchen.
I'll just say y'all.
You already starting.
Y'all know we wanted to make it a fajita. Y'all gotta get the chicken. Let me show y'all what it look like.
Don't come here, man.
This is what the chicken look like, y'all, when you make a fajita. Got it? Write it down. The chicken look like this. And it's that chicken fajitas on it, so where can you go wrong?
Where can you go right?
Hey, I think it's your birthday, girl. You in bed, and it's your birthday. You know what I'm saying? Y'all right here, you got the chicken cooking.
Bruh, get your face out the way. Sister getting back in your head.
Y'all see that chicken, boy? Look at that chicken, boy. That's a good chicken, boy. Yeah, I gotta be stopped. Okay, y'all, the chicken cooking right now. You know what I'm saying? Shh, shh, shh. Y'all hear that phone? Got your girl trees on the stove today, y'all.
Girl, bye.
Psych. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna come back when it's dealt too. But y'all, let me tell y'all what all we did today. So, when I got off of work or whatever, I had to hurry up and finish 2 tests or whatever that I didn't even know I had to take. Had to hurry up and finish taking 2 tests. Then I had to go all the way across town to get a TB skin test results or whatever, y'all. And results came back negative. Girl, bye. So I had to go from there. You know what I'm saying? B had my phone, so I couldn't vlog y'all because she had to. I asked her to do my test real quick. I know y'all, you ain't supposed to ask me to do your test, but I asked her to do my test real quick. Then, because I felt it the first time too, y'all, because I rushed through it, but again 2 times 3 But B passed it. But we had to hurry and go to Office Depot after that, so. You know what I'm saying? Your girl hitting about 60 and a 40 on her way to Office Depot.
Not mentioning I was running, but guess what? It was all about me.
So, we get to Office Depot or whatever. I go inside or whatever. They already know what I'm there for. So I don't want my email because I done sent the stuff in before. So, run my email, sitting in again, boom. Then what else? Okay, from there, I heard everyone to the daycare, dropped my information off. Then I had to hurry up. And I was like, we gotta make it to the state trooper office so we can get her ID renewed, y'all. So we had to hurry up and make it to the state trooper office. When we got there, they already had a door lock and it wasn't even 4:30.
So guess who fought the y'all? Because it's all about her. If it ain't her,
Blame it on me.
Right.
I ain't playing for everything, y'all. But what did y'all do today? This video is sponsored by Fanta, y'all. Make sure y'all go get y'all some Fanta. My bad, y'all. Y'all missed it. I don't know where y'all went, but B opened up the Taco Bell fajita sauce and put it on the fajitas.
Now I feel let it simmer, so it can get all in them, the juices and stuff. You feel me? Shout out to my cousin Angela, man. Shout out to her. She put me on the fajitas, bro. I ain't never had a fajita in my life. So shout out to her in this video.
We love you, HB.
Shout out to my dog Tina too.
What she do?
She just crazy. But shout out to her. Shout out to B too.
No more shout outs.
Okay, that's all I go. Shout out to B. So B making fajitas. My last Mohegan. I gotta clean the stove after this because you know that stuff gonna be bubbling everywhere. Yeah, let me tell y'all what happened. My boo called. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. Man, I got my wig on.
Y'all, just for the notice, trees is
Taken.
single.
She just lying.
No, I'm not lying.
Sure, stop lying to them people.
If I'm lying, I'm lying.
And you finna get off the ground. But anyways, my boo called. And I was like, hey, you need to be working. And he's like, I can't go and check out my baby. And I'm like, somebody called and check on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know she's trying to camera off, y'all. She don't want me bragging and boasting. I'm just saying, somebody call and shit on me, y'all. That is so sweet. I think that is the sweetest thing ever. I ain't never had a man call and shit on me.
Yo, don't nobody care about trees no more.
There you go. Shut up, booty.
What?
I'm about to spill the tea, baby. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that video.
No.
Yes, home. That's a video by itself. Do you hear me?
Y'all hear it so soon now.
Y'all see that smoke? Do you smell it? Do you smell it?
They can smell it through the phone.
Baby, it's that big boom.
But y'all, we're gonna get back to y'all once we get ready to come in
Put
the
the camera
wrap.
on me. Hold on. What's happening to you? Put the camera on me.
It's gonna get everything over
Never mind,
there.
don't put the camera on me.
Just turn out, find no other point. Here you go. Now it's going down my belly, y'all. And I'm gone.